India's air defences faced critical test as barrage of drones and missiles targeted military installations. The Indian Air Force deployed its S-400 Triumph air defence system, which intercepted and neutralized incoming threats, marking system's first combat use. Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited showcases complete range of military systems at DEFEA 2025 held in Greece. Among the main systems presented is MARD 155, platforms designed for all-terrain mobility featuring shoot and scoot capability, Garuda 105 ultra-lightweight 105mm mobile gun system. KSSL also exhibits its range of autonomous naval solutions. The U.S. Navy has successfully conducted first-ever air launch of solid-fuel integral rocket ramjet from unmanned vehicle, demonstrating Navy's ability to integrate advanced propulsion and fire control technologies. Germany has announced delivery of 10 air defense missile systems to Ukraine, comprising both IRIS-TSLM and IRIS-TSLS variants, designed to neutralize wide array of airborne threats, including combat aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, helicopters and cruise missiles.